For Nik Wallenda, performing on the highwire is simply in his blood. For 7 generations, through incredible peaks and painful loss, this has been his family's way of life. And like every walk he's attempted before it, the Masaya Volcano is a chance to add to the legend.
The world-renowned Wallenda family.
Seeing my parents live that life of the starving artist, seeing them bust their butts beyond belief in order to make ends meet, but also to pursue their passion, which was performing. That's what drove me to say, how can I carry on this passion? How can I carry on this legacy, but bring it to a whole new level?
Seas of humanity, waiting to watch daredevil history.
From Niagara Falls to the Grand Canyon to Times Square in New York and beyond, Nik has become perhaps the most famous Wallenda ever, performing in front of millions on live television specials, forever searching for the next great test of his skill and his courage.
I chose the Masaya Volcano because there's an active lava lake, deadly gases. It is the highest and the longest walk that I'll ever attempt.
500 years ago, the Spanish conquistadors dubbed Masaya the mouth of hell. It's erupted at least 19 times in the centuries since. Knowing all the risks, Nik's team has put months of preparation into tonight's walk.
Can you take this cable when you're done and leave it there for me? And I want to see how much it degrades over the week, okay?
Nik takes everything he does to an extreme. I think his gift is determination.
We prepare for the known, you can't prepare for the unknown.
This is the most apprehensive I've ever been for any of Nik's walks. The other ones were more, they were walks I dreamt of doing. He was following my dream. This volcano is way out of my reach.
I would say that this is probably the most dangerous wire walk that anyone has attempted.
I'm facing every element that a wire walker would have nightmares about.
People in the Philippines are bracing for a major volcanic eruption.
Every time I hear on the news of a new eruption,
molten rock spewing into the air.
that's what makes this walk the scariest that I've ever attempted.
Toxic gas is rising from the molten rock that authorities say is too dangerous to breathe.
I'm gonna walk over this volcano. Yes, it is life or death. And I'll be doing something that no one else on this planet can say they've ever done.